Good morning everyone. So today is Saturday. At kung napapansin nyo, may snow na dito sa background ko. Oh. Tag-snow na dito sa amin. First snow. So ayan, pero hindi pa naman siya ganun kadami. Pero winter na talaga dito sa amin. Naka-winter jacket na kami. So ayan. And say hello. My husband is beside me. So ngayon ay magwo-walking kami sa forest. At buti na lang at medyo may araw. Pero makulimlim. May part na medyo makulimlim, tapos meron namang part na may konting araw. So ayan, magwo-walking kami sa forest ngayon. At ang temperature ngayon ay -2. So, what do you think? It is good to walk. It's good to walk.
Good to walk. So good.
Kasi wala kaming magawa sa bahay. Kaya mag-walking na lang kami para makakuha kami ng fresh air. At doon namin gusto mag-walk sa forest. Para maiba naman. Kasi lagi kami sa bandang city. Though malapit kami mismong town dito sa amin. Pero lagi na lang kasi kami doon nag-walking. Kaya dito naman ngayon sa forest. Malapit lang din to sa amin. Dito kami nangunguha ng mga blueberries. Tuwing summer. Ayan. Marami kaming kapitbahay dito eh. Pakita ka sa inyo. Ayan. Ayan. I think I need to have my gloves.
You need to have it. It's quite cold, so you need to.
So, ayan. Lalagay tayo ng gloves kasi wala akong gloves. At frozen na ang kamay ko. Thank you. The other one also. Please.
Onko hyvä?
Yeah. Kiitos. So, ayan. May gloves na tayo. Hindi ko na-carry yung lamig. Kasi malamig na sa kamay. So, pa ang kanyang gloves. Pwede pa dito mag-walking sa forest. Kasi hindi pa naman siya ganun kadami na snow. So, carry pa mag-walking. Actually, marami nag-walking dito sa forest. May bakas na ng mga sapatos. So, ayan. Doon kami nangunguha ng berries sa side na yon, sa left side. So dito kami ngayon sa right side mag-walking dito banda. So papakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa right side. Wala naman siguro ditong bear.
Ha?
O karho.
Ei täällä But they see the car here
Where?
this summer.
Where they saw?
Here in the just a bit from this parking lot.
Ay. So may nakita daw pala sila ditong bear nung summer. Right?
They see the bear here on the summertime,
Oh.
but now the bear is already going to
Hibernate. Yeah. Dito kasi sa mga malalamig na syudad, dito sa Finland, part ng Europe, yung mga bear, nag-hibernate sila tuwing winter. And then, nagigising sila sa spring. Right? They are waking up in the
They
springtime.
wake up then in the spring.
They woke up.
I guess so, like end of the March, they start
Yeah.
to feel a bit wake up.
So, yun. So, ngayon, wala nang carho. Wala nang bear. Tulog na sila. Kumain na sila ng maraming berries nung summer. Safe naman dito mag-walking. Kakuha ka pa ng fresh air. Tsaka dito din pala kami nag-ski. Right. This is our ski place.
Ski place, yeah. In the winter time, there's the ski path. Winter time ski path.
Yeah. I think last night, no? Raining snow.
Tons, tiny bit snow last night. Tiny.
Tiny only.
You remember we went to ski here?
Yeah. Exactly.
There's
Snowball.
sun right there in the... Oh,
Yeah, nandun yung sun, oh. Nasa west.
and sun is so low now in the winter time. Even in the daytime so low.
Exactly.
And only couple hours so bright time.
Frozen. Frozen. So sure. You're gonna go first?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, wet.
crunchy. Hey, here's a... Meron silang tiny bridge. Ano?
That's already frozen.
Frozen ang river. Yan, papunta doon.
There's a bit melt in that side.
There is the walking path over there. Where it goes.
I think that goes there in the
Ah, yeah, that's...
back the road.
Yeah, how about that one?
And then that goes somewhere else. I don't know.
Daming daan dito.
I feel like if we go here.
Yeah.
Here is also blueberry place.
Yeah. Pwede din dito manguha ng blueberries. Ayan, oh.
We forget to even check this.
Wala nang dahon. Nalaglag na. Yeah.
Here's looks a bit healthy. Healthy
Looks like.
blueberry.
But I think there's a lot of people walking in here. Summertime. There's still a bit blueberries there.
Huh?
There's still a bit blueberries there.
Yeah, there is. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
no.
saying. That this looks quite healthy.
Ayan, oh.
Wow.
Tuyo na siya. Yan
Too
na.
dry.
No, it's already
Frozen
dry.
blueberry. How is that?
It's already dry.
How is the taste?
I don't know yet.
Bit rotten.
Yeah. Because it's already dry. It falls from the stem. Where? Right side? Left side?
Right.
Straight? Okay.
What is that? I forget what is the straight in Philippines.
Swor. Straight. Derecho.
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 Yeah. Derecho. Yeah. Maganda dito mag-ski, oh. Downhill ski.
Careful.
You need to go in the front of me because your knee is so not strong. Or maybe my knee is not so strong. Is it going the road? Oh,
We use the ski here.
not.
How I remember that we use.
I don't know. Oh my gosh. I hope I'm not sliding there. Adventure pala tong ano na to, walking. Pero hindi ka naman madudulas kasi pag umapa ka sa snow, lulubog yung sapatos. Crunchy. Did you put 2 socks? Huh? How many socks you put?
I have only one, sir. But you.
One, because this is thick.
Is it
This
feeling
is-
cold to you?
No, this is winter shoes.
Me too. I have quite one.
This is warm shoes. But in the negative 20, then two socks. There's a lot of trees. Can take.
They happy market to
Yeah.
cut this.
This is might be.
I guess so. The other way is going here. What
Yeah.
did you ask? It's coming to here.
This is much better. And that this goes to Kasila.
Do you want to go that way?
I think we went here.
We never went yet here. We stopped.
No, we
Before.
went here, Kasila.
Did we? This
Or
goes to
Not
this
yet.
goes to Kaasila. After
Meron pa dito
if
sa
you are fine,
countryside.
we can walk.
Yeah.
Because I'm happy to walk.
You go first na. So, malayo-layo pala yung aming pupuntahan. So, yun nga. Frozen na sa kamay. Pero, ang ganda ng ano, makikita mo yung blue sky. So, wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo yung blue sky. Diba? Dito, maganda yung, ulap. No, ang sky. Kalangitan pala. Noon. Diyos na naman. Ang fresh talaga pag nag-walking kaysa nasa loob lang ng bahay. Nanonood ng Netflix. Tapos cooking show. Ay, nako. Mag-walking na lang. Maganda pang exercise. Dito lang naman din kami sa malapit sa amin nagwo-walking. So meron lang area na may tubig kaya dapat iwasan. Pero nag-frozen na naman. Pero hindi pa ganun katigas. Kasi nga palang negative 2. Porsigido ngayon si uncle na mag-walking. Gusto niya nang medyo malayo daw. O sige, okay lang naman. Diba? Para exercise. Tapos, bukas, Sunday, pupunta kami ng where we are going tomorrow.
Ano?
Where we are going tomorrow.
Maybe we go yun, so tomorrow.
Yuensu. Because of Yolon Avaus.
Hey, yeah, avas.
So, every Yolon Avaus or Christmas opening, pupunta kami ng Yuensu. Maganda kasi may mga show sa Yuensu Tori bukas.
See, this is so good to walk here.
Yeah,
We are so near still home.
exactly.
After all.
Bukas magkikita kami ni sister kasi pupunta din daw sila. Nanghihingi ng panggatong. So, yun, nagdadala ako ng panggatong para sa kanya. Sa kanila kasi mag-railing daw sila today. Kami hindi. Walking lang kami. Pero may plano kami pumunta sa Maki namin, summer cottage. Alam ko, drawing lang ata yun. Hindi niya ata yun matutuloy. Malamig na din kasi dun eh. When we are planning to stay in Maki one night,
You don't?
when we are planning
Which one?
to sleep in our Maki summer
We should do
cottage.
that.
Yan.
We should do
Planning lang.
Some weekend. Maybe
Yeah.
before Christmas.
Yeah. So, medyo malayo-layo pa yung aming lalakarin. So, ikakat ko na yung aming video. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang Ensilumi or first snow of this month. Yan. O, diba? So, yan. Thank you sa lahat ng nanonood at sa mga nag-subscribe. So, patuloy po kayong manood at mag-subscribe. Yan. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Bye.